Hey gang, guess what? It's Monday. That means it's Imperfect Produce time. Got my Cooking Ugly box here. Got some. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh. So here's the deal. Imperfect Produce takes the stuff that's not cosmetically perfect to be sold in grocery stores and ships it to your house, and you help reduce food waste. You allow farmers to earn a little more profit off their crops, and you're doing awesome stuff for the environment as well. So I have some beautiful, beautiful black kale. Can't wait to make a salad out of that. Oh, fun times. Okay, I have a zucchini. I love making zucchini noodles out of these. So incredible. Woo! Oh, baby. Oh, my gosh. I don't even know. This is a butternut squash. Yes, a little butternut squash. It's got some markings on it. Probably have to cook that up right away, but we'll get to it. So, there's that. Let's see. Oh my gosh. These are going to be so great for stuffing. Oh, they're too large to be sold in the grocery store, but they're going to make wonderful dinner for me. Okay. And then I have a cucumber. That's right. Big old long cucumber. Okay. I got some Brussels sprouts. Yeah, that's right. Brussels sprouts. Look at them. They're large. They're going to be awesome. Get a little bacon going with them. Oh my gosh. There's so much in my box that I don't even have. Like, I can't even empty it. Okay. Then I've got some glorious sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. They're so good. Like, if you cut them thin, you can make them in chips. Or if you cook them up, you can mash them. You can do just so many things. Okay. Oh, I got mandarins. Look at these. They're so tiny. That's probably why they're in the box, but there's a lot of them. There's a whole lot of them. Okay. I've got Granny Smith apples. Yes, little apple action. I love apples. They're great to put in your backpack, take with you. Get a little snack for the road. Okay. I got a couple limes. There. I like to add lime to my water. We have a couple tomatoes. One of them is going to go in my salad right now, so I'm excited for that. And then finally, we got some potatoes. Yes, little potatoes. Cook those up as well. You fry them or mash them. Whew! Oh, bless me. And then finally, I have a recipe card. It's called the Weekly Beat. So it's got a recipe for a kale and pomegranate salad. It's got a fun fact about a member of the Imperfect Produce team. And then I can learn more about pomegranates because it's going to be pomegranate season soon. So there is that. And that is my Imperfect Produce. If you want to join the food revolution, leave me a comment. Let me know. I'll get you $10 off your first box. And I'll see you next time. Until then, be cooking ugly.